Hello, this is Dr. Riaz, and in this lecture, I'm going to explain how to do the research. Most of my students ask me how to conduct the educational research. Educational research is art. In this lecture, I will explain everything about the research. So first, I will explain what is educational research, methodology and procedure and ethical consideration of research, writing research, reliability, validity and credibility, research approach, research procedure, presenting data, use NDO, ICT and other software for in the research, and using Atlas TI, a software in research. I hope that you will watch all the video lecture series one by one. So first of all, uh, in this chapter, I covered what is education research, methodology, procedure, and ethical concern, and writing research. So, what's the research? Seeking through methodology process to add one body of knowledge and hopefully to, to other by discovery of non-trivial fact and science. This statement has given by Howard and Shaw in 1983. There is other definition of research, a search or investigation directed to discovery of some fact, be careful consideration, or study of subject, a course of critical or scientific inquiry is the research. So these are the definition of research. No, I would like to, what is the educational research? The education research collection and analysis of information on the world of education so as to understand and explain it better. Two words are very important. One, understand, and other, explain. With a significant practicing teacher in that it should be. So it's an education research. Education research viewed as a critical, reflexive, and professionally oriented activity regarding as a crucial ingredient in the teacher professional role. Generating self-knowledge and personal development in such way that practice can be improved by. So this is another definition by Hook and Hawks in 1980 of educational research. There are myths surrounding education research. The collection of quite large amount of data, result which can be generalized, a hypothesis, the understanding of experiment, objectivity rather than subjectivity, the use of statistic, something is proved, specific expertise is difficult. So, in research, you have hypothesis, you have conduct the objectivity rather than subjectivity, you have to use the statistic, especially in quantitative research, and you have to prove the fact of education research. No, mostly students ask me, can I do education research? Answer is yes, but practicality, education research is hard work, it's a time consumer, it's a problematic, difficult, require expertise. This, but you have to conduct the education research And I hope when you will start the education research, you will enjoy. It's a very enjoyable and you will